If everything you call me vanished right now, would you still exist? This is where Vedanta begins. Your job, memories, personality, even your life story vanished. Would you disappear too? We usually answer, who am I? With the body and the mind. From the body's point of view, I am my gender, my age, my name, my culture. From the mind's point of view, I am confident or anxious, talented or shy. Modern psychology says your identity is shaped by your characteristics, your beliefs, values, achievements, and how others see you. Your sense of self looks complex and multi-layered, and there seems to be nothing wrong with this approach. But there is the hidden struggle. We want stable happiness and inner peace. And yet, we are identifying ourselves with the body and mind, which are constantly changing. Think about it. You scroll Instagram, compare yourself to others, and suddenly feel less than others. That's your body-based identity controlling your mood. You lose your job, and suddenly, I am a marketing manager vanishes. Your entire self-image shatters in one email. How can we feel secure if the foundation of who am I is always shifting? Vedanta invites us to pause and look deeper. Everything we just listed keeps changing. The body is always changing. Your cells regenerate, you age, and your appearance shifts. Thoughts, moods, and beliefs constantly shift. What you believed 5 years ago might seem absurd today. Even relationships evolve. People who once defined your identity may no longer be in your life. If everything about you keeps changing, can any of that be real you? Vedanta raises a powerful question. If you can observe something, how can that be you? You can observe the body, which means you are not the body, but the one who observes. You notice your thoughts, which means you are the one aware of them. You feel emotions rising and falling, which means you are the one witnessing them. This leads to a turning point. Maybe who you truly are is not any object you can observe, but the awareness that observes. In Vedanta, this unchanging, limitless awareness is called Atman. Some call it pure consciousness or Brahman, the infinite reality. It sounds inspiring, almost like unlocking a secret level of existence. But here is the important part. Just believing I am awareness does not change anything. Think of it like driving. You may study the entire driving manual and pass the theory exam, but you still cannot drive a car confidently on the road. Just knowing the rules does not mean you can handle real traffic. You need practice, you need experience, you need to live it. Similarly, in Vedanta, the goal is not to collect more spiritual ideas, but to make this your living reality. And for this, Vedanta gives us a powerful tool. Neti Neti, which means not this, not that. It is not about finding a new label for yourself. It is about questioning every assumption you already have. You silently examine, am I the body? No, I am aware of the body. Am I this thought? No, it comes and goes. Am I this feeling? No, it rises and fades. Am I my career? No, jobs change, titles disappear. Am I my relationships? No, people come and go from my life. With every not this, you peel away a layer of false identity. You are not trying to find a new concept of me. This is not adding answers. This is dissolving the one who is asking. Ramana Maharshi called this self-inquiry Atma Vichara. Not a meditation technique, but the direct path to knowing who you are. A good spiritual teaching should not tell you what the self is. It should provoke you to look, question, and discover directly in your own experience. If someone gives you an instant answer to the deepest question of life, be careful. That often stops the journey before it even begins. Because here is the shocking part. The one who is asking, "Who am I?" is the very illusion that disappears when you discover the real answer. Try this right now. Close your eyes for a moment. Notice one thought passing through your mind. Now ask yourself, who is noticing that thought? Don't rush to answer. Just sit with the question. When the question dissolves, the questioner dissolves with it. And what remains is what you have always been. Comment below what you discovered. Did the question dissolve? Did something shift? Let's explore this together.